Worldwide, missed appointments cause businesses over $1 billion annually in lost revenues. Using Twilio for Salesforce and Salesforce Lightning Flow Builder, you can schedule automated SMS reminders to reduce missed appointments. Whereas emails may never be read, SMSs are read almost immediately. In this counseling example, a counseling appointment is made, which calls a workflow defined using Process Builder. The process then calls an auto-launch flow and passes the needed parameters to it. We will configure two elements in our flow. The pause element, which schedules the subsequent action to take place. The action is an Apex action that comes with the Twilio for Salesforce Managed package. See below for a link to download it from the AppExchange. Let's start with building the flow because Process Builder can only reference active flows. We'll use the new auto layout, which is a useful improvement over the freeform method. The first thing you'll notice is a more sparse tool palette on the left pane. Let's create our variables. Most important is the record ID. Second is the mobile number to send the SMS reminder to. We'll use the contact's preferred name to personalize our message. For the pause element baseline date time, we'll use the start date time of the counseling session. Finally, we want to let the client know how much to pay before the session. Now let's add our pause element. We will use one configuration, but you can use more than one if you want to send another reminder at some later time or under different conditions. The flow is invoked and paused when the session is scheduled, and will resume by calling an action to send an SMS when the resume conditions are met. Let's configure our resume event. We will choose the reference time for the resume event to be based on the field session start date time from the counseling session custom object. The offset is minus 48 hours from the baseline time date, and the record ID is passed in from Process Builder. Now let's add the action that takes place when the flow resumes. We'll be using the Twilio for Salesforce Apex action. I'll add a phone number to the SMS message so the client can simply click on the number to make a call if they want to reschedule or ask any questions. I'll save the flow and activate it so that we can reference it using Process Builder. The process is very simple. We simply call the flow when the record is created and pass in the flow parameters. That's it. Well, let's just activate it, and that's how you can build automated appointment reminders using SMS.